Hey guys, thanks for clicking on the video. If you're seeing this on your dashboard, then you need to change your fuel filter on your 2017 to 24 Chevy Duramax. I'm going to show you how to save some money and do it yourself. Here's everything you need. A light of some sort, some towels, a drain pan, your fuel filter, a 36 millimeter or an 1 7/16 socket, and some rubber gloves. Fuel filter is located just inside of your passenger side door, right under there. It did take a little effort to get the fuel filter housing off, so I recommend a 1/2-inch ratchet to do this. Once you have the housing loose enough, you can twist it by hand. Loosen it up just enough to drain the excess fuel. As soon as the excess fuel is drained, you can remove the filter housing, but be careful, it's still holding a lot of fuel. This is what the new filter looks like. Got a small end there and a large end there. And it comes with 2 gaskets. I'll show you how to replace these gaskets also. So here's the housing, here's the old filter, and simply pop it out of there. And look how dirty these diesel fuel filters get compared to a brand new one. Surprisingly clean inside of there. Normally that's pretty dirty down in there, so you want to wipe that out also. Okay, the next step is this O-ring has to be replaced. So you can kind of squeeze it, get a hold of it, pull it off, discard it, get your new one, and gently put this one on. Now you want to get it all the way down to this groove right here. There we go. All the way in. Then there's a small hole in the filter here and a large one. The large one goes up. That little, I don't know if you can see it, but that little nipple down in there is what this goes on. You put that in there. Click it in place, we're ready to reinstall. Got to change out this little grommet right here. And if you just kind of pull up like that, you can peel it off. And there it is. It's got to be very gentle putting the new one on. There we go. Just like that. Okay, just the opposite of taking it off. You want to hand tight this first. All right. And this is made of plastic, so you don't want to crank on it too hard, but you do want to make sure it seats. That's it. Now that we got the fuel filter replaced, we got to start the truck and check for leaks. Don't be alarmed if it cranks for a little bit before it starts. It's got to reprime that filter. Okay, we got to get that off of there. I'll show you how to do that. The way to reset your notification is hit the button here and you'll see that this changes. Okay, scroll through, fuel filter life, push that button straight in. You get this notification, push the arrow here, you see it changed to yes. Push this button again in the center. All right, have to turn the truck off. Give it a second. Okay, when we restart, we're back to 100%. We can push this button. I like my miles per hour to be showing. And let's check and make sure we don't have any leaks. And that's how you change the fuel filter on your 2017 through 24 Chevy Duramax. You can save over $100 by doing it yourself, and the whole process only took me about 15 minutes. I recommend you check the VIN number to make sure you get the right filter. If you guys like this video, hit that like and subscribe button for me, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.